Good morning, everyone. I am Matthew Jaden Reyes Saman of Kinder 2 Exodus, and I'm so happy to be here today. First of all, I want to thank our good Lord Jesus for all the love, wisdom, and grace He poured out on each of us these school years. This moving update is possible because He has always been with us. To my family, Daddy Jared, Mami Jo, and my Kuya Makoy, thank you for helping me with my homework, projects, and activities. Thank you for your love, patience, and always cheering me on. To my dear teachers, thank you for your patience, kindness, and for making them so much fun. You have taught us so many wonderful things from ABCs, mathematics, kind, and helping us. Another special thank you to Teacher Gian for always being with us, not only academically but also treating me on my family. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the laughter, playtimes, and happy memories I have shared. Lastly, thank you to everyone for celebrating this special day with us. To my fellow learners, let's keep doing our best and remember to be kind, respectful, to trust in God in everything we do. Thank you and God bless everyone.